finished setup, you can begin when the timer starts counting down. Hold the plastic spoon in your hand, and when you're ready, use it like a hockey stick to shoot that plastic water bottle cap, getting it to slide along the table, knock into the Tupperware container at the edge of it, and knocking it into the laundry bin underneath. If you can do that, that's worth 1 point for that try. Whether you make it or miss it, reset everything and get ready to try again. If you take a shot and your water bottle cap does not hit into that Tupperware container and it doesn't land in the laundry bin, no good. No points there. Reset and see how many times you can earn those points in 1 minute. Have fun and good luck.
The game begins in 3,